Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a ticket for support on the Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your email address and your password and you will be logged in right away. Now, from the home page, you will be allowed to shop for various different items. If you wish to submit a ticket for support, click on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and from the More Services option, click on Support. Now, from the support page, click on Suggestion/Dispute. And from this page, scroll all the way down and then tap on How do I file a complaint? Within this page, you will see the File Complaint button, so go ahead and tap on it. And now you will be allowed to file your complaint. Click on the Question Type option and then choose whatever option is suitable for you. You will then find the other options that you can choose in order to select your issue and explain it in detail. Just enter your service record ID and then choose your order. You can then describe your query and then upload an attachment as a photo if you have one by tapping on the camera icon. After filling up all of your details, click on the Submit button and your ticket will be submitted to the support team for Shein app right away. You will need to wait for a few days, after which you will receive your response within the Shein notifications or the message box, and you will also receive a notification within your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to submit a ticket to the Shein team for support. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.